If you're struggling to get rid of stubborn dirt and dust while deep cleaning your car, this tool could be your game changer. In this video we'll review the best HI-TECH Vortex 2 air cleaning gun. By the end, you'll know exactly why this HI-TECH Vortex 2 air cleaning gun is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The HI-TECH Vortex 2 air cleaning gun is a powerful solution for anyone struggling with stubborn dirt, dust, and grime in hard-to-reach areas of their vehicle. Traditional cleaning methods often fail to penetrate deep into carpet fibers or tight crevices, but this tool uses air compressor-driven vortex motion to blast away debris quickly and efficiently. The pulsating, oscillating airflow agitates dirt from upholstery, dashboards, vents, and even engine bays, delivering professional-level cleaning results in seconds. One of its standout features is the ability to switch between wet and dry modes instantly, allowing you to apply cleaning solutions and then dry surfaces without changing tools. In real-world use, it's incredibly effective for deep cleaning car interiors, removing stains, and refreshing fabrics with minimal effort. Built with rugged, professional-grade materials, the Vortex 2 is designed for long-term durability, making it ideal for both home users and detailing professionals. It also uses less cleaning solution thanks to its efficient design, saving both time and money. Key advantages include deep cleaning performance, time efficiency, versatility, and durability, though it does require an air compressor to operate. This tool is perfect for car enthusiasts, detailers, and anyone who wants a faster, more effective way to keep their vehicle spotless. Thanks for watching the video.